Hi, I'm BaBa. Today we will review the Costco dessert. Let us begin. We got the chocolate lava cakes from Costco. We will try to use the air fry to cook it. And I want to share with you. The price is reasonable and then they taste really good. After we make few and then we think that is good for us and then the kid. So that is why I make the video. So you can see there are two. It's like frozen one. And then I'm not trying to show you the brand, but we just want to let you know what brand is our air fryer, so you know like how big it is and then like how powerful they are. And then this is not the sponsor. After we put the lava cake in, we just set to 350 and then for 12 minutes. There you go. And then we will have a really good dessert lava cake. Okay, now it's ready. After you put it out, be careful when you try to take that out. Those are really hot. What we do is we wear the glove and then to put it aside. Wait for probably 1 or 2 minutes when it cool down a little bit, and then you can have a wonderful dessert. You can add the fruit, anything to it, and then our kid love it. And then sorry, you will see the picture they already finished theirs. So this is the one I will you can see they are really juicy. It is better than using the oven. So I hope you like it. So you like the cake?
Yes!
Now you will see what happened to the kid after they eat the chocolate dessert. I hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe my channel and then follow my Instagram and Facebook so you won't miss my video. I hope to see you next time.